My #1 goal for any event that you walk in with me is that when you leave here a money-making badass. Whether it's the next 6 figures that you want to bring in your business, whether that's in a year, 6 months, whatever, that you can absolutely do it. That's my goal.
She let me know specifically that, this is your thing. Like, you don't need anybody to validate it for you. I'm not here to validate it. I'm here to support you as you build this thing. That's not exactly what you expect for a business building event, but it's absolutely what I needed.
My clients are overachievers. They're the kind of people who are used to success. My desire is to give them permission to own 100% of all of that big brilliance, badassness that they have, so that they can step into that, like powerfully attract the kind of clients that they want.
I knew she was going to push me outside my comfort zone. I actually asked for it this time, silly me.
She's been really helpful for is like kind of kicking me out of the nest and helping me to take all the ideas and all the wisdom that I've accumulated and like put it out into the world.
She is able to see inside of you things that you maybe can't see yourself or have forgotten that is there, and helps you bring it out so that you can step up powerfully doing the thing that you were meant to do.
There was something about her that I knew I needed to reach out to her, and that she was going to help propel me to the next level.
Having Shameca in my pocket is kind of like one of my secret weapons.
What I'm most passionate about is you owning your value like nobody's business and not apologizing for it.
If you're somebody who wants to move fast, who knows you have like some calling inside of you to do something bigger, I would 110% recommend Shameca.
I feel like it's been part of the reason that I know it's been part of the reason that my business has been successful.
When you come here with me, you're not gonna leave here the same. I promise you, you'll be forever changed, and you'll be more connected to exactly who you are, who you're meant to serve, and why.
What I had to do was take a step back and say, hey, what do I need right now in my business? I knew she would be able to help me do that.
Investing in yourself is the most basic level of starting to understand what sales is truly about.
Was it scary? Yes. Did I do it anyway? Yes. Was the reward there? Yes, yes, and yes. Are you gonna hesitate? Are you gonna be afraid? Yes. But once again, my thing is push through it, because it's going to be well worth that investment.
I want you to have this deep, powerful knowing that your work is worth way more than you're charging for it right now.